Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matthew Manuel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to open up your very first Robinhood account. If you're not already subscribed, please take the time to do so because I do more how-to videos and tutorials on things such as these. What is up guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for landing on my channel. Yo, Robinhood. Robinhood is amazing. What else can I say? Yo. Woo. Okay, y'all. I can be a little silly, but y'all, I know the biz. I'll show y'all how to trade if you continue to watch the series. Today is just about opening your Robinhood account. You're gonna want to use that link down below in the description so you and I both get a free stock. And if you don't want you and I both get a free stock, you can always go to the App Store or Play Store. I don't discriminate which software you use. You can always go there and download the app yourself. Once y'all do it, y'all try to look around. Once y'all download the app, if y'all have any questions, comment down below in the comments. I'd really like to interact with y'all, and hey, I'm friendly. Also, go follow me on social media. I post every day, and I really want to interact with you guys. Also, if you guys could smash that like button, I would really appreciate that. Alright, so obviously if you're here, you're just starting to get started in the stock market. And I just want to tell y'all, I've been there before. Y'all don't want to waste y'all's time getting caught up in commission fees. Commission fees are usually like on the lower end, anywhere from like $3, almost $4 to like $10. Like, I'm going to tell y'all, Robinhood is by far the best app that y'all can use as a beginner. Watch this tutorial. It's really quick and simple. Watch the video so you can walk along with it. And then it'll take you into the next video where I show you how to actually purchase your first stock and really the beauty of trading on Robinhood. One of the best things about trading on Robinhood is it's commission free and you don't have to worry about, you know, paying all this money to trade. It's great for learning because I remember when I first started trading, I didn't know about Robinhood and I didn't try as much stuff as I do now because I had to pay commissions. And when you first start trading, you don't have as much money, so the amount of money you can make in the stock market is what your commission fee costs. So it's almost like not worth trading at all. Robinhood is great for learning. Is hands down great for learning. Okay, so I think it's important to start off by saying I already have a Robinhood account, but today I'll be walking through the steps of how to open a Robinhood account. So if you don't have an account, you're going to want to use that link down below in the description, which is an affiliate link. So if you sign up through that using the link in the description, I get a free stock, but you get a free stock as well. And if you just sign up without it, you don't get a free stock at all. So if I just wanted to let y'all know that if y'all use the link in the description below, we both get a free stock. And if you just sign up using the app on your own, you get free trading, but you don't get a free stock. Okay, so we're going to come in and we're going to download the Robinhood app. Okay, and then we're going to come in and we're going to sign up. And then we're going to type in a email address, and I'm going to be stock trader 11. Just for, you know, the purposes of this. This isn't going to be a real account. But okay, so then you put in your name, then you make a password. Okay. Then you're gonna put in your legal name. Okay, and then after you got your legal name in, I'm not sure if this is gonna. Okay, then you're gonna put in your number. Okay, and it's saying I have to put in a valid phone number, so that's where I'm gonna stop right here. But from here on, you would go in to verify your birthday, put in your social security, and then it takes you to a page and it deposits money in your account, and you have to verify, you just have to verify on the account that the amount that you received. So after you verify the account that you received on your account, you can then get in, and I'm going to sign in to another fake account I made. Okay, but this isn't working, so let me get out of that. But I'm going to sign into another fake account that I made. And, oh, okay, it's still letting me do stuff. Alright, but I'm in on this account that I had signed in on. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see all the different stocks. And if you're new here, which most of you probably are, you don't know what to do with those yet. But yeah, after you've gotten in, done the verification and all that, Robinhood is fairly simple and it's very newbie friendly. Okay, so it tells you why should you invest if you have any questions. Okay, what did I do? Okay, if you have any questions on what you should be investing on, they have you covered. Okay, and then the question of how much to invest, how much should I invest in stocks? It has all your questions answered. I really just want to make this a quick, simple tutorial, so I just wanted to show y'all that. So right here we have the free stocks, and this is actually what I want to tell y'all. Like, if y'all sign up using my link down in the description, you get a free stock, of course. It could be Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Microsoft. All those stocks are worth more than $150. GE, CenturyLink, Annually Capital, or something else. You have a 100% chance of getting a free stock. And each time you invite a friend and they join Robinhood, you get a free stock too. But yeah, so that's what's up with Robinhood. That is how you open your account. In the next video, I will be showing you how to buy your first stock. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're still interested, please feel free to watch the next video as I'll show you and walk through the process of buying the stocks and showing you how easy it truly is on Robinhood.